Today we're reading Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Another tired animal that we're going to read about today. Let's see how much he snores. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Sleepy bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. I hear the fire. The coals pip-pop and the winds don't stop. But the bear snores on. Sleepy bear. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Popcorn sounds good about right now. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. Poor tired bear. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy-yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." Sharing's good. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Silly sleepy bear. What is he doing if it's wintertime and he's sleeping so long? They call that hibernating. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. He's still sleeping. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. He doesn't even know they're having a party. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What happens? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, they know they woke the bear. Yikes! And the bear wakes up. Bear snarls and he growls. He roars and he rumbles. He jumps and he stomps. He growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh, he looked pretty mad there. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. He already had all the sleep he needs. But his friends snore on. How fun for Bear.